Ethereum is collapsing, not in price, in trust, in narrative, in dominance.
But also I'm dying inside.
And yet there is a bold plan to fix it, a new leadership team, a radical proposal from Vitalik himself, and a future that could either resurrect Ethereum or bury it for good. Let's break down what's really happening. Right now, ETH holders are exhausted. When Bitcoin dips, Ethereum dips harder. When Bitcoin rallies, Ethereum barely moves. Even worse, there's no sticky narrative. No NFTs, no meme coins, no killer dApps. Just a network slowly losing momentum. Solana, meanwhile, it's thriving. Meme coin, AI agents, speed, simplicity, all on one chain. In just months, over $1.1 billion has bridged from Ethereum to Solana. And here's the reality check. Ethereum is now underperforming Bitcoin by nearly 50% this cycle. ETH dominance just hit an all-time low. But just as it looks like Ethereum might lose the plot, Vitalik Buterin unveiled something major. On April 20th, he proposed replacing Ethereum's core engine, the EVM, Ethereum virtual machine, with a new architecture called RISC-V. Why? Because Ethereum can't scale fast enough. It still processes just 15 transactions per second. Competitors like BNB Chain are doing 1,500. This shift to RISC-V could make Ethereum up to 100 times more scalable. It would streamline the execution layer, support faster zero-knowledge proofs, and simplify long-term infrastructure. But this is the turning point. This won't happen tomorrow. It could take years to fully implement, and it might even disrupt Ethereum's entire layer 2 ecosystem. Is this innovation, or is Ethereum running out of time? While Vitalik focuses on the tech, the Ethereum Foundation has made another move. In March 2025, they announced Xiaowei Wang and Thomas Stanchak as new CEO executive directors, while Aya Miyaguchi has stepped into a new role as president. This is more than a staffing change. It's a signal Ethereum is evolving from decentralized experiment into global infrastructure. These leaders are here to bring focus, alignment, and long-term vision. And it couldn't come at a more critical time. Let's be real. Solana is on fire. It owns the meme coin space. It has smoother UX, fewer bridges, and lightning speed, while Ethereum is debating upgrades. Solana is shaping. Its transaction volume surging. DEX activity surging. Network fees still cheap. Even institutional players like Galaxy Digital are moving funds from Ethereum to Solana. This isn't FUD, it's an on-chain data. Ethereum's complexity is now its greatest weakness. But here's what Ethereum still has: the trust of the industry. Nearly 50 billion in total value locked, a massive developer base, and Vitalik still building, still pushing. This RISC-V proposal, it's not a gimmick. It's a real shot at reclaiming Ethereum's dominance. If it works, Ethereum becomes faster, simpler, and more future-proof. But if it drags on, Ethereum risks becoming the Nokia of crypto. So is Ethereum bullish or bearish? Short term, still bearish. The ETH-BTC ratio is low. ETF outflows continue. The price action has been weak, but long term, still cautiously bearish. If Ethereum unifies its ecosystem and delivers the RISC-V transition, some analysts believe ETH could hit the $10,000 in the next cycle. This is Ethereum's reset bottom, but it's on a timer. Ethereum isn't dead, but it's a battle for attention, for dominance, for the future. A new leadership team, a new vision, and a founder who refuses to quit. So what do you think? Is Ethereum setting up for a comeback, or is the best behind us? Let me know in the comment. And if you want more videos that goes deep into crypto's biggest shift, hit that like button. I'm Lamia, and don't forget to join our Telegram community and follow us on X, where we post the latest news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.